Today I'm going to demonstrate how to prepare a candle in the window. Now this is a coffee drink, so you want to get your coffee mug ready, and you want to have your warm coffee prepared. Now our main ingredient, or base, is going to be light rum. We're using Bacardi, probably one of my favorites. Either that or 10 cane is a really great rum that I like to promote a little bit just because I like that natural sugar cane flavor. So we're going to go with an ounce and a quarter or a 5 count. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. From there we're going to add in just a splash of dark creme de cacao and a splash of cherry brandy. So you can already see where this is going. It's going to have a really sweet flavor from the rum, and then we're going to be adding in like a chocolatey cherry flavor. So just a splash of each. So just really quickly pour in, and that's it. All right, you're going to fill the rest of this cup up with your coffee, just like so. And that is going to be your candle in the window. Now, I always like to make a note that I place whipped cream and a maraschino cherry on the top of all my coffee drinks, but the recipe doesn't call for it, so I'm just going to stick with it as is. And that is your candle in the window. Enjoy.